Listening is the first step to learning English. Many beginners feel English is too fast. They cannot understand words or sentences. Slow English listening helps you understand clearly, feel relaxed, build confidence. In this video, you will practice slow English listening in a simple and easy way. Step 1. Listen calmly. Do not try to understand everything. When you listen to English, do not feel pressure. You do not need to understand every word. Relax your mind. Why relaxed listening is important when you are relaxed. Your brain learns better. You understand more. You feel confident. Fear blocks listening. Focus on sound, not translation. Do not translate in your mind. Just listen to the sound of English. Let the words flow. Listen to very slow English first. Choose slow English audio. Slow speed helps you. Hear words clearly. Notice pronunciation. Understand sentences. Fast English can come later. Listen many times. Listening one time is not enough. Listen 2 times, 3 times. Each time, you understand more. Do not stop the audio too much. Let the audio play. Stopping again and again breaks flow. Just listen calmly. Simple listening practice. Listen carefully and repeat slowly. English sounds clear. I listen calmly. I understand little by little. I am learning with patience. Listening is a process. Relax. Listen slowly. Understanding will come. Step 2. Listen and repeat slowly. After relaxed listening, the next step is listen and repeat. This step helps you understand better, improve pronunciation, build speaking confidence. Why listen and repeat is important. Only listening is not enough. When you repeat, your mouth learns English sounds. Your brain remembers sentences. Listening becomes active. This is very powerful for beginners. Listen to one short sentence. Do not listen to long audio first. Choose one short sentence. Listen carefully. Do not rush. Repeat after the speaker. After listening, pause the audio. Repeat slowly. Do not copy speed. Copy clarity. Speak loudly and clearly. Do not whisper. Speak clearly so you can hear yourself. Hearing your own voice helps. Confidence, pronunciation, memory. Do not worry about accent. Your accent does not matter. Clear English is good English. Focus on clear words, calm voice. Accent improves naturally with time. Repeat the same sentence many times. One time is not enough. Repeat 3 times, 4 times. Repetition builds comfort. Listen again after repeating. After repeating, listen again to the audio. Now you will understand more. This is progress. If a word is difficult, if a word feels hard, do not stop. Repeat slowly. Continue listening. Understanding comes slowly. Practice daily with short audio. Daily 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Short daily practice is better than long practice sometimes. Simple listen and repeat practice. Listen and repeat slowly. I listen to slow English. I repeat calmly. I am improving every day. English feels clearer now. I enjoy listening practice. Listening and repeating build strong English foundation. Listen slowly. Repeat calmly. Improve naturally. Step 3. Listen without reading. Many learners listen and read at the same time. This is helpful sometimes, but now it is time to only listen. This step trains your ears. Why listening without reading is important. When you read, your eyes work more. Your ears work less. Real life has no subtitles. Listening without reading helps you. Understand spoken English. Catch sounds naturally. Improve focus. Close your eyes and listen. Close your eyes if possible. This helps you. Focus on sound. Relax your mind. No distractions. Listen for general meaning. Do not search for every word. Ask yourself, what is the topic? What is the idea? Understanding the idea is enough. Do not pause too much. Let the audio play. Pausing too much breaks concentration, creates stress. Listen calmly from start to end. Listen many times without reading. First time, you understand little. Second time, you understand more. Third time, it feels easier. This is natural learning. Accept confusion. Some parts will feel unclear. This is normal. Your brain is learning. Short daily practice is best. 5 to 10 minutes daily is better than long practice once a week. Consistency matters. Simple listening practice. Listen carefully and think. I listen without reading. I focus on sound. I understand the main idea. I stay calm and patient. Reading helps sometimes. Listening alone builds real skill. Step 4. Listen and shadow slowly. Shadowing means you listen, you speak at the same time. This step connects listening and speaking. Why shadowing is important? Shadowing helps you improve pronunciation, learn sentence rhythm, speak more smoothly. It trains your ears and mouth together. Use very slow audio. Choose very slow English. Fast audio is not good for beginners. Slow speed helps you. Follow easily. Speak without stress. Speak softly at first. Do not speak loudly at first. Speak softly and slowly. Focus on following the speaker, saying words clearly. Do not try to be perfect. You will miss words. This is normal. Continue speaking. Do not stop. Follow the rhythm, not every word. Do not worry if you miss some words. Follow sound, rhythm, flow. This is more important than accuracy. Shadow short parts. Start with one sentence. Very short audio. Long audio can be difficult. Repeat the same audio many times. Use the same audio. Today, tomorrow. Familiar audio builds confidence. Practice daily for few minutes. Even 5 minutes daily can make big improvement. Simple shadowing practice. Listen and shadow slowly. I listen and speak together. I follow the English sound. I speak calmly and slowly. I am improving my listening and speaking. Shadowing feels hard at first. With daily practice, it becomes easy. Step 5. Create a daily slow English listening routine. Learning English needs routine. Random listening does not work well. A daily routine gives steady progress. Why daily routine is important. Daily listening trains your ears, builds habit, reduces fear. Small daily practice is better than long practice sometimes. Choose a fixed time every day. Pick one time. Morning, afternoon, evening. Same time every day helps your brain prepare. Use the same type of audio. Do not change audio too often. Use slow English, clear voice, simple sentences. Familiar style helps understanding. Simple 10-minute daily routine. Minute 1 to 3. Listen calmly without speaking. Minute 4 to 6. Listen and repeat slowly. Minute 7 to 9. Shadow softly. Minute 10. Relax and listen again. Do not overload your brain. Do not listen for too long. Stop before you feel tired. Short and calm practice is best. Track your consistency. You can. Mark calendar. Note daily practice. This builds motivation. Listen even when you feel tired. Even low-energy listening helps. Do not skip. Simple daily routine practice. Say to yourself, I listen every day. I follow my routine. I improve slowly and clearly. Consistency makes me better. Daily listening creates real improvement. Routine builds success. Step 6. Listen and think in English. This is the final and most powerful step. Now your goal is listen, understand, think in English. No translation. Why thinking in English is important. When you translate, listening becomes slow, meaning is lost. Thinking in English makes listening faster, improves fluency, builds confidence. Understand ideas, not words. Do not focus on every word. Focus on situation, meaning, feeling. Understanding the message is enough. Use simple questions in your mind. While listening, think. What is happening? Is it past or present? Is it about daily life? This helps your brain stay in English. Do not stop audio to think. Let the audio continue. Thinking should be natural and quick. Accept partial understanding. You do not need full understanding. Even 60 to 70% is good. With time, it becomes more. Repeat this step. Daily thinking in English grows slowly. Daily exposure makes it automatic. Short think in English practice. Listen and think. This is about daily life. The speaker is calm. I understand the main idea. I am thinking in English now. Listening plus thinking in English creates real understanding. Slow English listening is one of the best ways to build strong English. Start slow. Practice daily. Stay calm. Your listening will improve. Your confidence will grow. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and practice English every day.